Yeah, looking back on the years, kind of mind-blowing. Just to think that I was working at a lumber yard, making doors only 6 months ago is crazy. And now I get to pick up a camera every day and do what I like to do and work on my craft and basically just move forward in the field that I want to pursue in life is amazing. Coming in as the new guy is usually always tough and intimidating, but Jake and Alex and Kevin have done a great job at accepting me as part of the team and really working with me and growing with me through this year. They've just brought me in as part of J29. They made me feel really welcomed. I know there's big plans and really high expectations from everyone who works here. So really the sky's the limit for us. And 2018 was an overall pretty good year. Coming on to J29 has definitely been a highlight. I think it's where I've grown the most and really get to shape my craft and really work at what I want to do.